Starbucks Corporation is an American multinational chain of coffeehouses and roastery reserve headquartered in Seattle, Washington. It is the world's largest coffeehouse chain. Starbucks is currently my biggest holding in my portfolio, and we will see why I've been buying this company. It's trading at $78.91, currently down 32% year to date. Most of the stocks are down due to recession fears, but we will see the specific case of why Starbucks is down so much. Let's start with the fact that Starbucks had all their stores closed in China due to COVID. This made a slight dent in the stock price, but as time passed and restrictions were lifted, stores started to slowly open again. However, not to full capacity. So this will keep the China revenue down. Then we have Starbucks closing all of its 130 stores in Russia. This accounts for less than 1% of the company's annual revenue, but it is a loss regardless. And last but not least, unions and stock buyback cancellation. As more stores entered the union process for a better workplace environment and benefits, the founder of Starbucks, Howard Schultz, steps up as CEO again and immediately cancels the $80 billion stock buyback from the company. For those who don't know what a stock buyback is, it's pretty much a company buying its own shares, so less is publicly available. This drives the stock price up and the current shareholders' position increases. With all those factors plus a looming recession, it's understandable that the stock price has plummeted to a very low value. Starbucks has been going through a lot of turmoil since the end of last year. I still believe that it has some good factors over the long term that it could bring a big turnaround. Starbucks has a wide moat, and its brand makes it a respectable, recognizable worldwide company. The brand is very popular among younger generations. Even though it's closing some of its stores, the company is still growing and opening stores in other locations. The cancellation of the buyback could be bad short term, but in the long term, I believe it will bring more value as the company is investing that money to improve stores and employee satisfaction. And last, the Starbucks app. Quarter per quarter, the usage of the mobile app keeps increasing and people keep depositing money within the app to make purchases. Overall, this gives Starbucks access to funds with no interest that can also be used to invest into the company. I believe that Starbucks stands at a great buying point. Right now, it composes almost 15% of my portfolio. Since buyback cancellation, I've been slowly buying bit by bit. Lately, I stopped purchasing shares and buying into other companies, but if it drops to 70 or lower, I will buy more. Despite the market condition, my portfolio is doing great. A little over the $6,000 mark and reach $200 in annual dividends. My goal this year is to end with a $10,000 portfolio value and $300 in annual dividends. I will continue to dollar cost average into my biggest losers and stay fully invested throughout this time of uncertainty. That will be it for today's video. See you on the next one.